If your Navien tankless water heater is leaking from the bottom, the first thing you should do is focus on safety. Turn off the water supply and switch off power at the breaker before checking the unit. Bottom leaks usually come from a few common areas. One of the most frequent causes is a clogged or damaged condensate drain or trap. Dirt buildup or a worn O-ring inside the trap can allow water to escape underneath the heater. Loose or corroded water supply connections can also cause slow leaks over time, especially in hard water environments. After shutting everything off, check the display for any error codes since they often point directly to the problem. You can safely clean the condensate drain, remove debris from inlet water filters, and inspect fittings to make sure connections are tight and not rusted. However, if the leak is coming from inside the unit or related to the heat exchanger, gas components, or electrical parts, professional service is required because these repairs involve safety risks. Regular yearly flushing and filter cleaning help prevent most leaking issues and keep the heater running properly.